Now I'm going to show you how to make menu card. First, I'm opening Illustrator. After that, I'm taking a new file, then new, and then I'll get a window. Width will be 595 points, height will be 842 points, and artboard will be 2, and there will be no bleed. After that, okay, and then I'll left click here and Control 0. Otherwise control minus, so that we can see the both artboard. After that, take the rectangle tool and make a rectangle here, and then go to the fill color box and go to the library, and there is a library color foods. Take a color from there, take any of the color, because this colors is very good here. After that, go to the stroke color box and go to the library, and again go to the foods and take the stroke color from there. Fill color will be changed, and I am closing this and I am going to the stroke color box, and then I am changing any of the stroke color, and I'm going to the library and again on the foods, and I am changing the stroke color, and then I am increase the point of this. Stroke color will be 20, and fill color will be any of the fill color you can take. Take the selection tool, select this, Ctrl C Ctrl V, and take it here, so that you will get two artboard, and place them here. Okay, after that I am going to the window, and then select here symbols, and go to the symbols library, and you can go to the celebration window, and you want take any types of food image from here. I'm taking this one because we are making a menu card, so we need to put a food image here. Otherwise, what you can do, you can go to the file. If you have already downloaded an image, you can go to the place, and then you can go to your folder where you have put your images. You can put this here, put a image, you can put an image here. If you have downloaded already, you can do it both. Suppose if you don't have the images, you can take the image from window, and if this color match with this rectangle, then you can change the background color. So first time I am taking this window, this food image. After that, press Ctrl A and Ctrl 2. Press Ctrl A and Ctrl 2. It will be locked. After that, what you will do, take the text tool and left click here and write down a restaurant name, and then press Ctrl A, and you can increase the font size, and then you can change the font style also. From here you can take any of the font style. I have taken this and I am increasing it more, 150 I am giving, and then I am changing the color. I am changing its color so it will look good. I'm taking this one and I'm taking the selection tool. This is also not good, and this is good. This is very good. After that, I am placing it here. Again, I'll take the text tool. I'll left click here and I'll write down restaurant. And I'll take the selection tool. I'll put it here, and then I'll change the color again, and I'll place it here little bit downside with selection tool, and then I'll take the text tool again and I'll write down here the address 12 by 13 Dhap DC mode, and then I'll press Ctrl A and I'll decrease the size of this. This is a good size, and I'll change the color again and take the selection tool and I'll place it here in the downside. After that, I'm taking the text tool, left click here and writing down here food menu, and then Ctrl A, I'll increase the size little bit, and then I'll change the color and I'll take the selection tool and I'll put it in the middle. After that, again I'll take the text tool and left click here, and then I'll increase the point to 36 and write down here 1, and I'll write down the food name fried rice, and I'll put dot here 80 taka, and then I'll press enter. I'll click here 2 and egg fried rice. I'll put here dot 75 taka, and then put here 3 chicken fried rice. Then I'll put here dot 85 taka. Then for chicken fry, $75. Again I'll press enter. I'll put here 5 cereal, chicken masala, put here 60 taka. Then I'll write down here 6 Thai soup, I'll write down here 80 taka. Chicken soup. Before that I have to put the cereal number 7. Chicken soup 65 taka, and then again I'll press enter 8. Chicken corn soup, I'll put here dot and I'll write down here 70 taka. Press enter. Vegetable, mixed vegetable, I'll put here 90 taka, and then 10 number burger, $55, and then 11 number sandwich, I'll put here 60 taka, and then 12 I'll write down here vegetable roll, put here dot and write down 40 taka, then 13 chicken shawarma, 55 taka, and then I'll write down here 14 cereal, ice cream 60 taka, and then I'll again press enter, and 15 number coffee coffee 40 taka, and then 16 number cold coffee 45 taka, and then 17 water 20 taka. And I'll take the selection tool and change this color. This is our menu card, and if we want to print this, we have to go to the file and then save as, select your desktop and put a name here, menu card, and save it Adobe Illustrator file. And if you want to see this, then go to the file, after that export as, and select here, desktop is already selected, save as type, select here PNG, after that export, after that okay. Thank you.